Okay, so these are 3 carburetors for a Suzuki GT380, and I've already taken them apart and cleaned them, but when I started, these did not move like they do, like they're supposed to, and so I'll just quickly take them apart and show you guys what's going on. But I'm making this because I haven't seen anybody else actually make a video on a restoration for these. So I'll just take off the screws really quick. Well, no, I should say I'll take off the fuel bowls really quickly. Now, as you can see, these are nice and clean. I cleaned them up. They've never been cleaned before until I did clean them. So this is a 42-year-old bike that's never been cleaned. These are the brass floats, so you want to be careful with these because they're brass, obviously. This was the rubber. There's supposed to be rubber on these, but there's not. The rubber actually turned to goo. And so that's something that is going to happen, obviously, when these things happen. With how old these things are, it's going to happen. So let's take this off. Okay, so these are actually busted. My dad broke them quite a while back, but they're supposed to look like this one right over here. So if you pay close attention, there's black in there, and that's actually from the rubber. That was not fun to clean, not at all. So I need to get new rubber for these. And I've actually got the parts ordered and coming in the mail. It's gonna be a little while though, and they were expensive and hard to find. So if one of you guys is doing this, then it's a really tough thing to do when you're looking for parts. So when you take this apart, there's going to be a spring here. Just take that out. And these are black because that was all covered in goop, but I put some penetrating oil in here so it stays lubricated. And I'll take this out really quick. I'll show you the inside of this. And so, of course, I've cleaned it all, everything. I've got all the parts that I need, and it'll run when I put it back together, when I put this back on the bike. I don't have the bike here right at the moment. There's the jet at the bottom. But like I said, I don't have the bike here at the moment. It's it was my grandfather's, and so I'm going to be getting that from him later. But for right now, I just need to get these done. But that's pretty much it. You just put it back together and put it back on your bike. You just want to make sure everything is nice and clean. And this is really just a comparison video because some people need these. Because I couldn't find a single thing when I was looking for stuff, when I was looking for information. But, yep, I'll be doing more of these, and hopefully we'll be able to get things done. Thank you for watching.